everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about bioorganics. Now, if you watched the video before this, you know that I used Mayel, the Hawaiian ginger line. I used the Hawaiian ginger hair butter and the leave-in for this poppin' twist out because I have on the same shirt. It is the same day. I'm recording this video after I did my twist out, and so yeah, this for my twist out, this is what I use, my organics. If you are an OG subscriber, okay baby, you know that my organics is one of my favorite brands to use on my hair. You just know that. So I'm sorry, y'all know I'm goofy. This is gonna be an unboxing today. Judging by the title, yeah, I'm sure that's what I'm gonna title this. So, okay, backstory. Sally's had a sale, right? Sally's had a sale. They had a sale on their conditioners and deep treatments and stuff like that. And then they had a sale. They turned around and then had a sale on their shampoos. I bought 3 shampoos, but when my order came to be shipped, only one of the shampoos that I picked was available. So I picked 2 Shea Moisture shampoos because I have never used Shea Moisture shampoos and they were on sale. So I figured, let me get some Shea Moisture shampoos. I got the Manuka honey one and then the coconut one. But by the time I got to my order, shit was just gone. So they only sent me one and I got my money back. You know, that was cool or whatever, but I guess. Anyway, so I only have one shampoo to show you today. So yeah, the shampoo I got is okay, Maya Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo infused with biotin and encourages hair growth. Now, I love anything that has biotin in it, and I love these drops so much. I love the scalp treatments so much. Actually, I have 2 of them. One is full and one is like not full. I have 2 of these. I love my organics so much. And I've never tried this shampoo before, but it was on sale. It was $5. It's normally $10.99. It's normally $9.99 or $10.99, something like that. So yeah, I got this shampoo because I want to use it because it is infused with biotin, and I love the Rosemary line so much. Okay, I have the full line except for the edge control because I just figured I have so much edge control up there. And I already have an edge control that's infused with biotin. If you don't know, the Sweetie edge control is infused with biotin B7. So I really don't even need the Maya edge control because I have an edge control that has biotin in it. And it's been doing its job because I don't have any edge control on right now. But my edges, we ain't got no problems over here. So let's see. It is a strengthening shampoo. It says apply a dime size amount. Dime size. I know you lying. And massage on wet hair for rich lather. Rinse thoroughly, repeat, and follow with the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. Okay, so I don't have the hair mask in front of me right now because the hair mask is in my shower. I actually use the hair mask for my wash day when I wash my hair. Yeah, so I use the hair mask because I don't, calm down. The hair mask is in my shower because I use it. Okay, so I'm not going to go into my shower and pull out the hair mask just to show you that I have it, because if you have watched my channel, then you know I love the hair mask as well. The hair mask is, I don't know what's my favorite thing. This line is just so amazing. So I was just like, I have to get the shampoo, like, to complete the line. I have to get the shampoo. So I have the Maya Rosemary Mint Multivitamin Styling Cream. I haven't really used it. Actually, I have used this. It feels a little empty. Hold on. I've been using this for my wash and goes. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my God, I love the smell of this stuff. But yes, this is also infused with biotin. The whole line is infused with biotin. That's why I love it so much. And the hair mask, I believe, is one of my favorite things to use. And just using the shampoo together really just finishes the whole line. So I'm definitely going to do a wash day using the whole line of this line because I absolutely love it. The bottle size, I ain't really rocking with 12 fluid. I don't know. The bottle size is a little small, but I'm sure most Maya bottles, this is like their signature size, because this is the leave-in and it's the same size as the, yeah, okay, so whatever. But yes, so I'm not gonna say I feel like I'm gonna like this shampoo. I love the pomegranate and honey shampoo. I love that one, so I'm sure I'm going to like this. And it's just a shampoo, so yeah. But I have the Rosemary Mint Styling Cream. This is a great styling cream. I haven't used it because I want to I haven't used it recently. Because I've been using, y'all know, I've been using Emerge, I've been using Melanin Hair Care, I've been using what else I've been using up in there? I've been using African Pride, okay? And yeah, so I haven't really been reaching for this product, but definitely since I have the whole line, I'm going to be reaching for it because I like this. This is good. So yeah. And y'all already know how I feel about the Maya Rosemary Mint Hair Strengthening Oil. If you don't, I have plenty of videos on this oil. This is a very wonderful oil. This, I believe this is like my 7th or 6th bottle. I'm not sure. Like, as you can see, this is a brand new bottle. I just love this oil to death. This is one of my favorite oils to grow my hair. Love this oil. I don't put anything else in my hair. The only thing I use for my hair is also the Blueberry Bliss Curls Blueberry Bliss Mint Scalp Tea Treatment. I love that too. That's another great oil. So these two oils have really this oil and the Blueberry Bliss oil that I talk about, I have a video on that too, on that oil as well. Love that oil. These two oils I really feel like contributed to my hair growth because when my hair was color treated, I was using it every day, but my hair was growing. And then I had some scalp issues, like my scalp really was getting irritated by putting oil on my hair every day. So I stopped using it, and I only use it once a week now, and my hair is still flourishing. Like, come on now. I'm wearing a black shirt, so it really don't. Hold on, let me see. So as you can see, right here is where my hair stops. Can you see? So right here is where my hair stops. Right here. That's where my hair stops. So we almost waist length, baby. Oh. But yeah, so we almost waist length with it, and that's pretty much what I want. Yeah. Even if I don't get waist length hair, well, I know I'm gonna get waist length hair, but you know, my hair is growing, like it's growing. So really feel like these oils contributed into my hair growth. So just to have the whole line, which really finishes it off, just makes sense because I want my hair to continue to grow and flourish, and My Organics is a great brand for me to do that with my hair. And the shampoo just finishes it off. Love My Organics. Y'all know this though, like My Organics is one of my favorite hair brands. I don't know where I would be without My Organics, because most of my videos are on My Organics. If you, but yeah, y'all, I'm doing a little bit too much rambling in this video. I just wanted to show y'all that this is the unboxing for my Melanin shampoo. It was $5 and it retails for $9.99. Okay, let me give y'all a tip. Okay, do not pay full price for these products. Okay, get the email, sign up for their email list, and it will give you all the sales and stuff like that. Sally's has sales all the time. Okay, you hear me? Sally's has sales all the time. I have the Sally's app, and they have sales all the time. Okay, So even if, you know, you do not have to pay full price for products. Like a lot of people, they be like, you know, I think you need to do videos on affordable products. And it's like, girl, 10.99, that's affordable. I feel like this shampoo is 10.99. Is it, if that is not a, if 10.99, if you can't afford, you know what, I ain't even going. But yeah, I just feel like if what 10.99, that's not anyway. Okay, I guess, but if you can't afford 10.99, some is the problem. But and then don't, why, what you mad at me for? Because you can't afford. All right, anyway, all right. But I just want to tell y'all, I don't pay full price for products. Like, that's dumb. Why would you pay full price for products when you know it's gonna go on sale? Get the app of your favorite brand, or you know, get the Sally's app, and Sally's be having sales. They have 4 for 20 sales. For texture ID, texture ID is always on sale, 4 for 20, and I have free shipping now, so the shipping don't really affect me like that. And also, sign up for My Organics. Okay, they be having sales too. TGIN, they be having crazy sales. What's another brand? Melanin don't be having sales like that. You just gotta bite the bullet and pay for Melanin. But Melanin is a great brand. Okay, I'm not Melanin is a great brand. So she needs she deserves to get every coin she can get, because Melanin is a great brand. What else up there that I use? What else is up there? I can't really see right now because I got my contacts in. But like I said, My Organics always has a sale on their stuff, whether it's through Sally's or whether it's through the My Organics sale. I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta scratch my leg. My leg itches. Okay, it itches. All right, but yeah, they always have sales, so you don't have to pay full price. Why are you paying full price for hair products? I don't understand. Like, you just gotta, I don't know. People be mad. People don't think, like, you know what I'm saying? They don't think, like, just wait for the sale. Anyway, that was my little unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I have everything now, and I'm so excited for my next wash day. Actually, no, I'm not excited for my next wash day because I just took this twist out down. So wash day isn't gonna be for like probably about 5 days or so, like that, or something like that. This twist out is definitely bomb. I used, guess what? I used My Organics. They shit is fire bomb. She giving away cars. She having crazy sales. Monique is definitely doing a damn thing in the natural hair community and for the black community as well. I don't know any brand giving away, I don't know any natural hair brand giving away cars. I'm sorry, I don't. So don't come for Monique, because baby, Monique is making money and she's putting shit into the fucking community. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. And make sure your post notifications are turned on. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see y'all in my next one. Definitely doing a wash day with this shampoo, and I'm going to do a style day with the styling cream and the, you know, I'm gonna just do a whole just wash day dedicated to this line because I love it so much. And I'm already sure, like I said, I'm sure I'm gonna love the shampoo. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, make sure post notifications are turned on. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see y'all in my next one.